in this particular video, we'll be seeing some MSBT questions. Now you can see I have taken these 4 questions which has been asked in winter 2017, summer 2018, winter 2016 and summer 2016. So I have taken these 4 questions from your previous year question papers. All the MSBT related questions only. We'll be seeing these four particular questions, how to approach these particular 4 given questions. So let us take the first question. Now what has been given to us? The question is evaluate log of 83, 81 to the base 3. This is the question, log of 81 to the base 3. And we have to evaluate the given question. So how to evaluate log of 81 to the base 3? Now what we can write to the 81? Log of 3, 3 raised to, can we write 4? What we can say? 3 raised to 4 means 3 into 3, 3 into 3, which is equal to 81. As we know that log of x raised to y equal to y into log of x. Whatever we have in power or in index, that can be brought in the front of log as per the formula. Now therefore what we can say, log of 381 is equal to, what we can say, 4 into log of 3, and as we know that log of a that is equal to 1. Now from where we got that, that is log of 3 that is equal to 1, from which formula we have used over here? Log of a that is equal to 1. So this formula we have used. So our final answer for this particular question is 4. Let us talk about this question number 3. What has been given to us? Log of 10 to this value has been given. We have been given the value of log of 2 to the base 10 as 0.3010, and we have to calculate, we have to find log of 8 to the base 10. So what we can write this? 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3. Now 3 can be brought on this particular side, 10 2. Now we have been given this particular value, we have been given the value of log of 2 to the base 10. So simply we can put the value of log of 2 to the base 10, that is equal to 3 into 0.3010. This has been given to us over here. So after multiplying, what we get? 9030. So this is the answer we get for question number 3, which has been asked in winter 2016. Now we have taken one more question, that is question number 4. We have to prove log of a to the base b into log of b to the base c into log of c to the base a, that is equal to 1. So we will take left hand side as we have to prove. Always when we have to prove anything, then in that situation always take left hand side or right hand side. So log of a to the base b into log of b to the base c into log of c to the base a. This particular question has been given to us. Now as you know, log of a into log of b into log of c. Now we can use a simple formula, that is log of a upon log of b into log of b upon log of c into log of c upon log of a. We have used over here a simple concept. Now which concept we have used over here? Log of a to the base b equal to log of a upon log of b. This particular concept we have used. Whatever we have in the base, that we can brought to the denominator by using this particular formula. Now let us cancel this log b, log c, and log a with log a. So finally we get 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So this is how we have proved. This is our right hand side. So what we can say? Left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence proved the given question. which has been asked in summer 2016. Thanks for the watching.